It's always videos. All you want is a new fade video. You guys want teeth whitening videos. You want hairline videos, eyebrow tutorials, how to shave my left pinky toe. Pick a video and let's stick to it. This is Self-Care with Brod, and as always, I'm always trying to come to you guys with the best of self-care, men's grooming, all that good stuff. I never once shared you guys my actual beard and hair care regimen. My main thing is I always go the organic route. Natural is the way to go for me. Without further ado, today I'm going to show you my beard care regimen. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Ujjayi wash. The wash has sunflower oil, organic coconut oil, potassium, hydroxide, citric acid, activated charcoal. Wash is really good for increasing your hair follicle strength. You're gonna see a big difference after using this wash. It smells very good. You're gonna take the moisturizer, the light ingredients that helps your skin maintain great health. Almond oil, vitamin E, aloe vera leaf juice. After putting the moisturizer in, I'm gonna take the serum. It helps with promoting new growth. Anywhere I have like my hair thinning or anywhere that I see that my hair might not be as strong as other parts, I put this serum where all those places are needed or necessary. This serum is really good for that. After I put the serum in, I always do the balm 2 to 3 times a day depending on how I'm feeling. If I feel my hair getting dry, I'm just gonna throw on the balm. It's actually one of my favorite products out of this line. So for those of you who always wonder, yes, there is a discount code in the description. So let me know how you guys like it. Thanks for watching.